In this video, we consider introduction to data science using R. So, data science is the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data using statistical and machine learning techniques to discover patterns and make predictions. What is R? R is an open source programming language and environment designed primarily for statistical computing, data analysis, and visualization. Let us start with our database of students. For each student, we have a name, study hours, and mark got at the exam. So, to use with R, we will use POSIT Cloud environment. We can use our read CSV command to load our data. So, then to extract columns study, hours, and marks, we can use the following operator. For variable x and for variable y. Okay, so now we can plot this data, plot x and y. Yes, we see plot here on the right. We can add also corresponding labels. And y label is mark. Okay, so what can we do next? We can analyze, for example, any general data about these arrays x and y. For example, minimum value of x 0.4. It means that one of the students studied only less than half an hour. Let us see what student exactly is it. So for this purpose, we apply which minimum of x. So this is index 347. Okay, let us put it into a separate variable, ix, for example, and data of x. Let us extract it in the following way. Let it be z is equal data name z of ix. Yes, Gary Clark. He studied less than half an hour. Let us see which mark he got. Y of ix is 54. Not a bad mark, taking into account that he studied so a little time. Okay. Also, we can have a preview of our data. For example, first 6 items and various other information. For example, mean value of all marks. Yes, 68. Okay, let us also try to predict values of variable y based on variable x using linear regression. For this purpose, we use the lm command lm x lm y depending on x. Okay, so we get this model which has intercept, of course, free term and weight value. let us put them into separate variables. The weight, the slope, will be kept in variable y. We address the coefficients of the model and take into account that weight is a second coefficient here. So this is W and this is B. For a term, intercept B is here. Okay, now we can plot the line which makes prediction of variable y based on x. Yes, we can see it now on the right. For example, if we know that some person studied for, let us say, 5 hours, now we can easily predict the corresponding mark which this person will get. It's 72.5.6, or if we make rounding. So in this way, we can perform basic statistical and machine learning operations using R. In the following videos, we will consider more examples. Thank you very much for your kind attention.